Hey Vicky, this is Doc Key Espinoza from MasterFlyingBillboards.com. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys for allowing me to shoot this video to you guys. Real quickly, I just want to say that there's a lot of value to be considered in these videos. I'm going to keep this video in particular short and sweet, straight to the point. This video is basically going to be me comparing you to your competitors and other competitors in the area, and how to outrank them and get more traffic to your business. So the first thing I want to touch about, there's going to be three things: content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing of content is basically a description of anything you see on your website, as far as text, images, what those images are saved as, any photos, what those photos are saved as. So basically, if we put you guys into this word counting, and we see that you guys have 674 words, which is very good. So Google typically wants to see about 1,500 words. So you guys are off to a great start. So you're just going to go out and get a bunch more content. The significance of this content is that you want to be able to add keywords within this content in order to be found for search terms that people search for services like yours. So this is a software I like to use called Ahrefs, and allows me to see the back end of a website, a complete back end, whether it's their organic traffic, their traffic value, their keywords they're using. So you see that you guys are using 13 keywords, right? So if we go in here, we see the keywords that you guys are using. These are the keywords that should be on your website, that should be visible. These keywords should be visible. You should be saving the images, as I mentioned, as keywords as such as this. These keywords should not be hidden, and if they are hidden, you should have them in multiple places, right? So, but you can see that you guys, these keywords are receiving a lot of search volume, but you guys are in the 34th position. So if someone was to type this keyword in, excuse me, so I actually want to give you guys an example, actually. If I could just copy this. So if someone was to type this keyword in, and this is your top ranking keyword, right, copy. As you can see, you guys are this is the highest position you guys have with any of the keywords that you're using, right? So if someone was to type this keyword in Google, you guys won't be found for it, because you're in you're in a bottom position for that keyword. Using this keyword properly will allow you guys to receive a lot more traffic. So as you can see, these are one of your competitors. I already have these guys pulled up. They're being found for this keyword, right, on the first page of Google. Now, if we go into the back end of their page, it's just like the software I use, as I mentioned, called Ahrefs, and allows us to see everything that they're doing. You see, these guys are receiving massive traffic, they massive value added here, right, because they're using a lot more keywords. But the good thing for us is that we're able to go in here and get these keywords and be able to use them on your site. So what I go ahead and do is take these keywords and I narrow it down and I filter it out a little bit more and get the best keywords. And what you would do is you just take these keywords and you just use them on your site. All right. Oh, excuse me. I put that. So SC, right? And you just use these on your site. So that's the way about going about doing that. As you can see, this stuff is 200 searches a month, 80 searches a month. I know you guys are not going to, maybe Myrtle Beach is pretty far from where you guys are at, but all of these keywords you can use. Actually, I have keywords of myself that I have for you guys pulled up here. All of these, as you can see, that receives about 6,200 searches a month. If you're using these keywords right, you guys are going to win. Just to give you guys an example of that, 6,200 search keywords. Not saying that you're going to use all of these, but let's just say this was your absolute worst month. You just started there, you get only 5%, and we know that that's 310 searches. And even out of that 310 searches, right, 310 searches, you guys only got 5% of that, which is not even an option, right? That's 15 extra calls that you guys could be missing out on every single month. As you can see, these guys are getting a lot of traffic, and these are one of your other competitors. So you want to go ahead and beat them out in these areas. So the second thing I want to talk about today is citations. So citations are basically directories throughout the web that your business address, name, phone number is listed in. We like to call the section that we're on right here. This section is called the map section. We actually also like to call it the NAP section, the name, address, and phone number section. And basically, what citations are, directories listed throughout the web that allows your name, address, phone number to be listed on. Yext, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, White Pages, Home Advisor. There are many more. There are hundreds of them. A way I go about getting citations is a software called whitespark.ca. So this software allows you to put in your competitors and see what citations they have, and you're just going to go ahead and beat them. And you're going to go find another competitor. You're going to do a compare and contrast and go ahead and get those, and you're going to win. So when you put them citations here, it builds credibility with Google. And when you get into this section is responsible for 44%. 44%, excuse me, of traffic that comes to a website. So anyone, I guarantee anyone on this first page, anyone in this section right here is getting a lot of traffic. But to be here, you just want to optimize it, and you want to max out this description with 700 characters. Once you finish doing everything, you want to get some reviews, right? And you want to optimize these photos as well with key terms you're trying to get found for. Once you do that, you're able to beat your competition in every aspect in this section. You're going to be number one. These guys are number one here right now. So that's what citations are. It's an important ranking factor. Just like I said, you want to use whitespark.ca. It will help you a lot, help you guys out a lot with that. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And backlinks is basically referring domains, referring back to your website, giving you guys power. Now, backlinks are based on relevancy. So you want to get backlinks that's relevant to your industry. You guys are a construction company, a remodeling company, and you got, as you know, real quick, just want to say you guys have a title tag here, and that's a great start. But what you want to do with this title tag, you want to come in, look at these keywords, take these keywords, put those in your title tag. Exactly. I know we love to have our websites looking nice, but I believe that some of us like to see results in traffic over designs any day. But user experience is very important as well. So like I said, with the backlinks, we're able to come in here, we see what kind of backlinks you have. And the important ones is that we see, this is why you guys are not receiving a lot of power, because you have 6 backlinks, but only one of them is do follow. So you want to have a lot of backlinks, and all these are valid, but the do follow ones are the ones that really actually count. For you guys, these are valid. So let's go ahead and check these guys' backlinks. See the good things that we have going for ourselves today is that we're able to come here and see what backlinks these guys have and take them and use them for your site. Because if these backlinks are good enough to rank theirs, they're good enough to rank yours. So those are the 3 things that you guys should focus on: content, keywords. Maybe you want to have 1,500 keywords. And some good so another tip that's worth mentioning when you're writing this content is that you want to add 1,500 to 2,000 words. You're going to beat them out. You don't want to have to worry about someone trying to come compete with you. They're not going to know how to compete with you once you do that. So you want to be bold in these keywords. Like, even this is your name, you want to be, you're getting found for that. Bold it out, interlink it. You want to anchor text it. Anything like this I see up here, actually exterior design painted, you want to bold this because Google crawler sees that, and this is what they're going to rank you for once you put those keywords. So writing content, you just got to make it all make sense, but you want to save these images as keywords as well. This is very important. That's the number one step. The second one is citations. So you want to go to whitespark.ca, get those citations as well. And there's backlinks. You want to get these backlinks, and I guarantee you, a method I use to get the backlinks is a software called Majestic. So, you know, it's majestic.com. But once you're able to get these backlinks and you do all the 3 steps that I give you today, I guarantee you'll start to capture some of this traffic, and you'll see a significant increase in you guys' business. So I hope you guys are best. I hope you're able to get a lot of value from this video. If you have any questions or concerns, or I'm sorry if I spoke a little quickly on this, I try to just keep them short. You can definitely contact me. If you have anyone that's doing this to you, this video would definitely prove useful to them. Just make sure you know you're asking questions, but this is definitely what's working for businesses I work with. It works for my business. This is what the guys are doing, right? Another thing is that when you want to rank in different service areas, you want to build a service page. You want to optimize it with them service areas keywords, right? And you want to just want to have all the pieces to the puzzle together. I guarantee you, Google will recognize it, and they will crawl your page, and you will start to see a significant increase in your business. And I hope that will make you guys happy. All right, take care. Please contact me if you have any questions, and I appreciate if you guys have some feedback from me. Thanks.